Hi.
Hi. What are we doing today?
We're moving Rachel!
Moving Rachel! Yay!
I was not prepared for this vlog.
Yeah, no, that was the point.
Yeah, I know.
It's more just we're running out. So we need coffee. We need coffee because we're tired.
Yes, we are. Oh my god. Oh hey!
Oh hey.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there.
Hey, is that Chris Olsen? Famous videographer?
Not my Yelp rating.
He broke all of the furniture.
I don't like doing
And he had a bad attitude. Dan, they're coming down the stairs. You've been training your whole life for this.
Right.
Yeah, I have.
All that
5 days a week,
deadlifting and
baby.
bench press
Anytime
at the
fitness.
gym.
Woo!
It's actually really super light. It's not even that.
That's really no big deal. I mean,
Probably would have been easier if you carried it longer.
I know, it's kind of weird now.
I bench like 800 pounds.
Do you believe it?
Yeah, pure
What are you doing?
dying.
You sitting on your butt. The people behind us are like, focus on driving.
What would it matter if your friends knew?
Do my super
Who
dirty
cares
voice.
what other people see anyway?
Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start.
Oh my gosh, why are we going so slow?
I wonder where they are.
Chris is right behind us.
We won! We won!
Dude, when you turned left over that bridge, I knew it was over. I was like, I can't catch up.
Bye bye.
At this point, like, I can't
was
pass
stuck
anyone.
behind his motorcycle that was going so slow. Otherwise, he probably would have cut like 5 minutes off of our travel time.
I was surprised you guys only beat me by 2 minutes. I was like, you were
It
going
was
like
the
20 over like
stupid
the whole drive.
motorcycle. It was just 75.
No, I mean when we were like in Minneapolis, it was like a 55 and I was going 76 and I still couldn't catch up to you.
Yeah.
No, my GPS was like, what the heck are you doing? Like when we were leaving initially, it was like, where are you going?
Because I went the other way. That is easier to get onto that ramp.
How did we beat Rachel here? She left first.
Well, from what the picture, what was on Snapchat, it looked really nice.
Yeah, good.
Why didn't I do it?
Are you on Snapchat?
I'm on Snapchat, but I don't use it ever. Like
She'll invite him to move stuff to her apartment, but she won't Snapchat him about it. You're not that.
Squad.
No, but I also don't use Snapchat, so there's...
So the Snapchats I've been sending you are going nowhere.
Well, I got the one you have. I just never like use it.
I have to get the first reveal. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Working on the wall.
And wall sitting. At the same time.
Room tour. It's the apartment tour. Look at this walk-in closet. You can. Whoa.
Oh no!
You're gonna break something. It's the twerking closet?
Yes. No. Yes.
No?
No.
No. Are you
Yes.
sure? Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Hello, Pippin. Is this your new home? Is this your new house?
To the deck, to the deck. Whoa. Hello. Who is that? Where'd he go?
Thank you. Oh, hi.
Oh gosh.
Gotta do that thing where they like throw the bar over there.
Oh wow.
Obviously, I thought.
Abba. You working hard or hardly working?
I was gonna say that. Oh, didn't see you there.
Oh, mean.
It's me again.
Oh hello. Oh hey buddy. How you been?
I'm not doing well. I'm hurting.
It's me.
Well,
Floor time.
all appreciate some good old floor time.
It's a nice carpet too. It's good carpet. Excited for pizza? Oh my gosh, you bumped the table.
A little more energy than that.
Cinnamon. Okay, take two. And action. First bite. Wow. that was pretty
Yeah, I'll take
intense.
it.
How's the pizza, Chris? 10 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Ooh, he's pretty big on his pizza. What about you, Ari?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Copycat, you stole my answer. You flunked the class.
No copyright. No copyright infringement.
10 and now my reaction just looks stupid.
All right, final product. Well, not final product, but we put stuff in to the apartment.
These are Mrs. Turner's shoes.
Good one down. Yeah, let's go. Let's go right now. We can go to Anytime Fitness.
Say goodbye, Chris.
Bye.
That was kawaii. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I learned it from